Welcome to this tutorial on Scenario Nodes, our new node-based workflow engine. Nodes lets you chain models and assets into visual workflows. Instead of jumping between tools or repeating steps, everything runs inside one connected canvas. If you've used graph-based tools before, this will feel familiar but much simpler. And if you haven't, don't worry, we'll start easy. To begin, click Create in the top menu, then choose Node Editor. On the right side is the Nodes sidebar, where all nodes are organized by category. A node can be an input, a generator, or a utility. Each one represents a step in the process. In the middle is the canvas, where you connect nodes and build your workflow. Connections flow from left to right. Before building your own workflow, you can open Platform Workflows in the Workflows tab. These are ready-made pipelines created by Scenario that give instant results without configuration. There are more than 50 workflows covering image, video, and 3D use cases. Let's start with Character Fusion. On the canvas, you'll see two image input nodes, Upload Person and Upload Person 2. Add your two character references. They are grouped and sent into a prompt system. You can optionally add your own text prompt, and an if/else step decides whether to use your instructions or a default description. Click Run, and the workflow generates a single image, placing both characters in the same scene. Now let's look at Add Creative Studio. Here you upload a product or visual using the Upload Image node. You can add instructions in the prompt field to describe the concept or creative direction. The workflow checks whether you entered instructions and uses either your prompt or a default one. Run the workflow, and the model produces a finished advertising visual based on your image. Now let's build a workflow from scratch. In the Workflows tab, click Create. This workflow will restyle a video using generated references. When the editor opens, a text node is already connected to an image generator. Write the style you want. For example, a 3D cartoon style scene. The generated image becomes the style reference for the final video. Next, we create the input video. Add another text node and connect it to a second image generator. Then write your prompt describing the wanted scene, such as front view portrait of a woman with a soft, blurry city background. Then select an image model, for example, Gemini 3.0 Pro. This generates the start image for the video. Now add a video generator and connect that image to it. Choose your preferred video model, such as Kling V3. For the action, either connect a text node or write your prompt directly inside the video generator to describe what the animation should be, for example, the woman turning her head and waving. You can also use the rewrite function to further refine the prompt. Now add the final video generator that will be the output of the workflow and select your video model, such as in this case, Kling 01 Video Editing. Connect the three inputs to it: the video generator you just set up, the style reference image from the first image generator, and a text node describing the transformation. Set this video generator as the output, with the text boxes as inputs, then click Run. Your workflow saves automatically, so you can rename it and return later. When needed, you can control how much of the workflow actually runs. You may execute a single node, run from a specific point, or run the entire workflow, which makes experimentation faster. Not to mention the fact that you can also turn a workflow into an app, allowing others to use it as a one-click experience without interacting with the workflow itself. Existing scenario apps can also be opened as workflows, so you can inspect and edit them. With scenario workflows, you get a canvas where you can build several processes at once and run them together. You can start from a template or build your own, adjust individual steps without rebuilding the process from scratch, and keep everything connected and under your control. And because a workflow can be turned into an app, you can easily share it so others can use it without setting anything up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorials.